Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to build your very own Shopify store. Step by step. Even if you've never created a website before, by the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional online store and be ready to make your first sale. Step 1. Sign up for Shopify. Go to shopify.com. Click Start Free Trial. Enter your email address, create a password, and choose a store name. Click on Select the plan. Here are the plans you can see. Then select the basic plan. Now it's time to make your store look professional. Choose a theme, customize your homepage, colors, fonts, make it feel like your brand. To do this, click on Online Stores. The Dawn theme is already installed, but if you like to choose a different theme, scroll down and click on Visit Theme Store. We get different paid and free themes. Click on Products, add product. Upload your photos, write a good description, set a price, and boom! Your first product is live. We uploading our first product. Then we set the pricing of the product. Once everything filled out, click on the Save to add your product to your store. Step 5. Set up payment gateway. Go to Settings, then click on Payments. Then click on Complete Account Setup and fill out your complete details to complete this process. There are different payments methods for your customers to pay. Step 6. Set up shipping. Go to Settings, then go to Shipping and Delivery. Add your shipping zones, rates, and delivery options. Here you can offer free shipping, flat rate, or real-time carrier rates. Next, click on General and under Store Details. Let's make sure everything is filled out correctly. Input your store name, email, and phone number, along with your payment, billing, and currency. And the final thing we do is set up our domain, which is the URL address of our Shopify store. So let's go to Domains. And if you already have your domain, you can click on Connect Existing Domain and follow the instructions. And if don't have the domain yet, you'll click on Buy New Domain. Then type in the domain what you want. You can buy it right here through Shopify. To remove our store, password, and publish our store, let's close out of the settings. Then click on Remove Password. And congratulations! You have officially built your very own Shopify store from complete scratch, and it's now online and available to all of your customers. Now it's time to take action and start adding more products, driving traffic, and making those first sales. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you never miss a tip to grow your online business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.